Hey yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we are a car dealer in the very eastern side of the state of Iowa. We're actually in an area they call the Quad Cities. We're located on Highway 67 and just 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. Very easy to get to and well worth the trip from anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, if you follow our channel, then you know there's nobody in this area, maybe nobody in the Midwest, that stocks the Jeeps like we do. Our Jeeps are tip-top, the coolest ones around and priced right. You'll very rarely see one on our website that's not lifted and a bunch of stuff done to it. And the other thing you won't see on our website is overpriced Jeeps like all the other guys have. We will always price our Jeeps within reason of the book value, and that doesn't even include the thousands and thousands of extras. This particular one here is a prime example of that. Just came in from the south. This is a one-owner clean Carfax 2019. This is the LJ, new body style. This is a sport package, four-door obviously, and it's got a lot of nice extras on it, man. I'll tell you, this thing's been lifted, sitting on XD 20-inch wheels there, guys. Those are some oversized 35, 1250, 20 Venom power tires, probably really pretty much brand new, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 miles on them. Really high-end lift on it, Fox shocks, guys. Custom rigid lights, as you can see right there. I want to go back to this color. I absolutely love this color, and the way that it contracts with all black, no chrome, it just looks awesome. So again, let's give you the walk around, guys. Only 61,000 miles on this Carfax certified Jeep right here. And again, it's out of the south. Look how clean that frame is. Another shot of those Fox shocks. Another shot of those XD wheels, 35-inch tires. We also have a same size spare tire there and a matching spare wheel. Again, this is a hard top, guys. It's decked out. Not only is this thing decked out with stuff on the outside, but wait till you check out the inside. I bet there's probably 5,000 spent on here. Check this out, guys. Custom cat skin Mopar two-tone leather interior, right? It's got all the options: power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control. Got the big radio display, backup camera. It's only got 61,000 miles, but here's one of the coolest things, and you never ever see this. Boom! It has a see-through top. It's like having a convertible even if it's raining. Again, guys, we got that leather seat on the back. Place for your kids' iPads right there. Just really nice. Factory mats front and back. You can see, again, I'm gonna give you a shot. That's what you get right there when you buy one out of the south. Clean, clean, clean. You know, in the Midwest, you always get these rusted areas around here. We don't have that on this one. It's just as clean as can be. Rigid lights work real good. This is a 3.6 liter V6 engine, not the little 4-cylinder. Again, if you look at these all look real good too. Maybe just a little teeny bit right there, but other than that, this thing is decked out, guys. Priced to sell. Again, Carfax certified, come out of the south, already lifted, got the cool top, got the leather interior, 61,000 miles, XD wheels, 35-inch tires, deep with tread. You can't go wrong, guys. Most dealers, hey, let's not beat around the bush. Most dealers probably want 40 grand for this thing. Not us. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Guys, go there, take a look at these pictures. I will tell you, hey, we can finance this thing. We can ship it to you. We do take trades. Doesn't make a difference if you're in New York, California, Florida, or just right down the road in Bettendorf, Iowa. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. All right, guys. Till next time, have a good one.